Custom instructions is the most helpful option that ever came into ChatGPT. By using this correctly, you can change your results like this to like this, and it will save you a ton of time. I will explain what it is and how to use it correctly with some use cases. Custom instructions allow you to fine-tune the behavior of ChatGPT by adding some personal touch and giving specific guidance, instructing it on how you want the conversation to flow. By giving ChatGPT a custom instruction, it will consider the instructions every time it responds. So you won't have to repeat your preferences or information in every conversation. And with this, you can narrow down the responses and get more relevant information faster. This is great for gathering research materials or even generating creative content. It's like having a dedicated assistant that knows exactly what you need. Let's jump right in. Here's how to use custom instructions in ChatGPT. First things first, you will need to access the custom instruction interface. You can find this option in ChatGPT settings. Here, click custom instruction. Once you are there, the real magic begins. Custom instructions allow you to add preferences or requirements for ChatGPT to consider when generating responses. Here you can tell about yourself to ChatGPT to get more personalized responses. For example, let's type here, I'm a content creator for YouTube and I create simple finance videos for ordinary people. And let's jump into second box. Here you can guide the ChatGPT to what kind of responses you want. You can give the instruction to get the exact tone, style, or context you want. It's like having your own AI partner. Let's type here, when we talk about video ideas, show me only the video topics in point form, without any explanation. And let's click save. Now add some prompts here. Give me some video ideas about investing. The generated response shows only the topics in point form, without any explanation, like I said in the custom instruction before. And I want to write a script using one of these topics. Let's take the fourth topic and add a prompt here. Write a video script about the fourth topic. See, the custom instructions I gave before perfectly followed by the ChatGPT in this script. The ChatGPT adds some sentence to wake the viewer's curiosity and keep them engaged with the video till the end as instructed. It has been beautifully explained in simple language using simple examples as I taught in ChatGPT custom instructions. Now let's see turning off custom instruction and asking the ChatGPT for same things. Go to settings, click custom instruction, then turn it off like this and click save. Now let's take a new chat and type the same prompt that was used before. Give me some video ideas about investing. See, it's just a typical response. Look at the difference between with custom instruction and without custom instruction. Without custom instruction, it's just fundamental video ideas with some explanation I don't want. And with custom instruction, the ChatGPT generates more accurate video ideas as I requested. Now let's generate some script without custom instruction. I type a prompt here. Write a video script about second topic. See, without custom instruction, the generated script is not accurate. It just tells the facts in a boring way without any engaging sentences. And it's not using any simple examples for easy understanding, like the script generated with the custom instructions before. Now, sometimes you will wonder why the details in the custom instruction were not provided with the prompt. If I had given that, I would have received an accurate response. Yes, it is, but every time we prompt, say who we are, what context, what style, and which tone we want, it's annoying, right? With this feature, we don't want to repeat what kind of response we want again and again. Instead, ChatGPT will remember this information after saving it once using the custom instruction feature. And don't overthink about how to introduce me to the ChatGPT correctly or what kind of instruction I should give to the fine-tune the ChatGPT. Think you have an assistant who knows about everything. Instruct him to get more accurate information as you wish, and don't be afraid to experiment. If the AI isn't hitting the mark, squeeze your instruction, add more examples, or adjust the style. You will be amazed at the result you can achieve with the fine-tuning. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell button to see more videos of AI and much more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.